All right, so let us say that one of these days the world reconsiders these monetary doctrines and comes to believe that digital currencies materialized with the stroke of a key, or maybe voice command is now going to create money. But in any case, effortlessly created digital currencies may in fact pose a danger. I think it was you, and you may have still this up on your site, that in a social democracy, all roads lead to inflation. Right?
I've held that view for a while now.
Right. Well, the inevitable is certain, but not necessarily punctual, I always say. Yeah. But it's so. I think both of us, again, if I can presume to talk for you too, both of us are looking forward to the time at which scales fall from the eyes of an important segment of the investment community. People who say, I really act on reflection. I really don't trust what they're doing, and I want to invest in monetary disorder, not to hedge against it because we got it right. I want to invest in monetary disorder and preserve capital. So at that moment, perhaps the gold price is going to go up, and particularly perhaps if it goes up in the face of a turnabout by the central bankers who suddenly lose credibility because they've shifted from QT back to quantitative easing to QE. All right, that's maybe the setup. So anticipating that setup, how do you get positioned for it? How do you invest in it?
Well, I think that that has two aspects to it. Because if we'd have talked about that 2 years ago, I'd have said, okay, well, the market's going to start to smell that out and gold will start to go before it's really clear to everybody. Now we've gone through, because we've spent so much time in QT and gold's kind of taken a beating 6 straight months down in a row, that I think people think that the Fed's being tough and rising rates mean gold can't go up. Obviously, none of them know what happened when Volcker jacked rates in October of 1989 and the price of gold doubled in 4 months, but that's a story from yesteryear. Rising rates aren't necessarily negative for gold, but that's the storyline right now.